Hey, my 3D printing family, this is Mark with Upgrades Complete, and you guys were asking about what kind of tools did I use on my V3 build. And this is the tools that I think every 3D printer should have on hand. Now, whether you're building, maintaining, or just own a machine, these are your go-tos. You should have a set of each one of these items. First thing is Capricorn tubing. Make sure it's official, real Capricorn tubing, not a knockoff. A set of bed springs. An infrared thermometer, so you can monitor the temperature of your stepper motors. You can measure the temperature underneath your bed. You will know if there's going to be a problem, if something's overheating, before it actually does. I check my machine on a daily basis. It takes 2 seconds to scan. Next, we all know these fans. They sell them for about $5 for $10. They go bad. It's just what they do. But always have at least one on hand. And when you get down to one, order another set of 5. Wi-Fi enabled smart monitoring plug. $8 online. This will let you know if your machine is drawing too much power, too little power, or any problems whatsoever. You also have the added bonus of knowing if something's going wrong with your machine and being able to fix it before your machine breaks. The next thing is a voltmeter, a digital multimeter. I don't have one in front of me. I still have to pick it up from my neighbor. And we'll skip that part for now, but digital multimeter is a must. Next is calipers. Always, 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 always buy a set of calipers. You cannot go wrong with a good set of calipers. And in my V3 build, you all know, this piece of Bowden tubing that was inside the direct drive was too short. I would not have known that had it not been for a set of calipers. Plus, I was going to replace it with Capricorn tubing anyway, so 6 of one, half dozen the other. Worked out well for me. Now, these two I got from Mike at RM3D. I was using a cheapo set. This is the iFixit set of tools. This has everything you need and a really nice driver to work on your machine and other household products. But for machine maintenance, this is the best set out there. It's all magnetic. You don't have to worry about losing anything. And finally, bolts. A good nut and bolt assortment, especially if you live in the US, metric is hard to get. Buy a set.